Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I've already done my bald cap off camera. This is the wig that I made from Love Me Hair. I didn't use all 3 bundles. I just used about 2 and a couple tracks. I don't really like my wigs that full. When I put it on my skin before melting it, it blended pretty well. I did put some foundation on the inside of my lace just to make it match a little bit more. So I see that I need to do a little bit more plucking, and I'm going to do that later on in this video. So I'm going to start with my bolt hold adhesive. I'm going to be using 2 layers. I'm going to start off with a very thin layer and make sure I dry it completely. And I'm just going to dot it on just like this. So after I get the thin layer on, I'm just going to dry it until it dries majority clear, because that's when I'm going to add my other layer before it's too dry. So now I'm going to do the same thing for a second time, and then I'm just going to dry that till it's almost invisible as well. So now that it's dry, I'm going to attempt to adhese the lace. So I'm going to cut it down the middle so I could do one side by one side so that I can properly lay the lace where I want it to lay. As I lay it down, I'm going to use my comb to push the hairs back so that way I get a nice smooth melt. So here I see that I need to pluck a little bit more, which is fine. I like to refine my plucking when it's on my head anyway. So I'm just going to pluck a little bit more, and I'm going to use the same motions that I used when I was doing it on the doll head that I did on my head. So now I'm going to cut the lace. I'm using a eyebrow razor just so that I can get nice fine cuts. That way I can go in a zigzag motion like I want to make it more natural, so I don't have so much lace and I'm getting as close to my baby hairs as possible. So now I'm going to cut out my earpiece. I'm just going to measure it right above my ear so that when I put the hair behind my ear, it looks more natural. So now I'm going to do my baby hairs, but I see that I need to glue a little piece down some more. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of glue where I think I need to put on the edges where I cut it, because sometimes those can come up, which is fine. I'm just going to add just a tad bit on those pieces there. So now I'm going to make my part. I'm doing a side part for this style today, and I'm just going to put it wherever I want to. I'm going to take my foam and I'm going to put it all over the top because I am about to lay my baby hairs before I tie them down. Now for this style, I don't really like a lot of baby hairs. I'm more natural. So I only did them in the front and on the side. I should have went all the way to the other side and did the whole frontal. But for this video and for these purposes, I only did them on the side and the front. But the process would be the exact same on the other side. So now I'm going to put on my scarf to lay my baby hairs down and just let everything set right there where I glued and laid baby hairs down and just let it melt into my skin. So at this point, after I finally get it to tie, I'm going to just style my hair the way I want it. And I'm wearing it in its natural state. So I'm just going to wet it and comb it out. And I'm going to put a little bit more mousse in it while it's sitting. You don't have to let it sit with the wrap on it for way too long. So now I'm going to change locations on you guys when I come back. So this is how it looks when I take it out. I love the way the lace melts into my skin. I hope this video was very detailed and you guys were able to follow along. If so, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and I will be back with another video. Thanks for watching.